Hello, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Alex from MarketWise Asia. So the time now it is about 7:28 p.m. Okay, I see that there are people starting to stream in. Okay, so once again, thank you so much for being here and being on time today. You guys are early. All right, so if you can hear me loud and clear, everything is good. Okay, please say a hi to me in the chat. Okay, I'm saying a hi to you in the chat. Okay, so if everything is good, just say a hi to me in the chat. Let's just wait for maybe a few more minutes before we get started. Okay, so I can see Naveen, okay, Andrew, Jason, Dawn. Okay, thank you so much for commenting. So once again, the chat, it is open. So feel free to ask me question later lah. But when I try to do some engagement, do try to engage with me, because you know that this is just a room. Okay, I'm be talking to myself actually to a camera. Okay, so just a little bit of participation. Okay, all right. Very simple one. Okay, just type a yes, type a no, or whatever it is. That kind of simple things. Can or not? Okay, if everything is okay, just type okay in the comments. So let's just wait for more people to stream in. All right. So yeah, so since we are still a little bit early, right? So I hope you guys had your dinner already. Okay. So yeah, I mean that today is a busy day, pick up my girl from school and then come back, prepare some of my slides, okay, and then eat some dinner. In fact, I just had had salad only, okay. Yeah, for dinner. Typically, I don't like to eat too much before a kind of a webinar or presentation. Okay. All right. So I think there'll be more people started to stream in already. Okay. This one is Henry Suya, Susan Che, Geraldine, thank you so much for being here. By the way, right, how many of you here, okay, this is the first time you are hearing me, okay, online, Facebook Live or whatever it is, okay? Yeah, you are new to MarketWise Asia, okay? If you are new to MarketWise Asia, new to Alex Yo, okay, please type, okay, letter 1 in the comments, so that I know you guys are really, really new, okay? Maybe because from the recent Market Insights Trading Festival. So that's why you get to know me, okay? All right. Or how many of you have already heard of me before already, okay? Or I see some comments, okay? I see YC, okay, Gobi, Henry says this is the first time, okay, fantastic, okay? Yeah, all right, so thank you so much. So again, how many of you here know about seasonality? Okay, if you know it, just type yes in the comment. If you don't know, just type N in the comment to know. Okay, we are going to start really soon, already 7:31. Okay, just wait for a few more minutes before people to come in over there. Okay, so have you heard of seasonal trend or stock seasonality? Okay, if you have heard of it, okay, just type yes. If you have not heard of it, just type no. And how many of you here, okay, are actually, oh, Naveen, yeah, you are the one who recently joined SeasonalVantage. Oh, so you are the SVI member already. Okay, just to ask one more thing, a quick question before we start. How many of you here are SVI member? If you're SVI, okay, just type SVI lah. Okay, technically you guys no need to be here lah, right? Because because you guys already know a lot of things that I mentioned already. Okay, but if you want to come here to refresh your memory, to support me, I think that is fine as well. Okay. Yep. How many of you are SBI? Okay, so I think we are about to kickstart already. Since you are already 7:32, thank you so much for being here and being on time, right? So once again, I'm Alex from MarketWise Asia. So I hope today you guys know what you are here for. Okay, let me just share my screen over here. So today, all right, I'm going to share about how to achieve a consistent trading success, okay, using seasonal trend, even if you are struggling right now. All right. So by the end of today's session, right, you'll learn how to harness seasonal pattern for profitable trade, okay, make confident data-driven decision, okay, and how to outsmart market condition with predictive strategy. All right. So yeah, I think there are a lot more people who join over there. Okay. Yeah, so shall we get started now? If you are ready, okay, just type me in the comments, okay? Just some engagement, just type me in the comments, then I shall really kickstart this session already. So, Steve is asking, right, how reliable is seasonality? Okay, later I will show you some of the stats over there, okay? So just let me go through my presentation first, okay? All right, so I will just hide this, hide. Okay, so let's kickstart this session, okay? How to achieve consistent trading success using seasonal trend, even if you are struggling right now. So before I kickstart this webinar, right, just as usual, a disclaimer first. Whatever I share today is just for education purpose, not a recommendation to tell you what to buy or what to sell. So please do your own due diligence, okay? All right, so with that, okay, this is not investment advice, due diligence, please. So if that disclaimer is done, okay, so how I intend to make this the most valuable hour for you this year, at least so far. So we have another 3 more months before the end of the year. So I know some of you guys have attended a lot of webinar session, okay? So I promise you, okay, I'm not going to waste your time, okay? And this will be a valuable session. So within this 1.5 hour, I hope so. I hope I can cover within 1.5 hour, okay? You'll learn how to uncover the power of seasonal trends, okay? I'll review my 3 secrets to get more consistent wins and profit from trading. And last but not least, I will also share with you how to take advantage of an exclusive offer to level up your profit, okay? But don't worry, okay? This is not just 1.5 hour of sales pitch, okay? You will learn something, there'll be case studies, okay? There'll be insights and there'll be knowledge for you to take away. So don't worry about that, okay? All right, so let me just continue over here. So today's webinar session, it is for you, all right? If you want to achieve consistent trading success, okay, increase confidence, time efficiency, financial independence. Okay, let's don't talk about financial independence. That might seem a bit too far-fetched for those who are just started to trading. Okay, let's just say extra income, okay, for you from trading. And also at the same time, okay, increase your competency to become an expert level trading. Does this all sounds good to you? All right, sounds good. Okay, just type good in the comments. All right. So let's continue over there. So later I'll share with you more how to get all these things, to achieve all these things. But right now, okay, I hope everything is good. So again, there are more people who came in. Okay, so once again, say just say hi to you guys over there. Sorry, I'll take some water. My throat's a bit dry. All right, so before I kickstart, okay, I think there are some people who are new to Market Wise Asia and new to Alex Yola. So in case you don't know who I am or recently just attended the Market Insights Trading Festival or never even attend, okay, but somehow you registered for the event but never go, you're new to Market Wise Asia. So first of all, okay, my name is Alex Yo. All right, Alex, people call me Alex. So I actually run MarketWise Asia. So we are an event organizer. So we run the investing and trading seminars, virtual event, etc. But not only that, okay, I'm also a self-directed trader. Okay, meaning that I trade my own account. Okay, all right. I'm also a certified financial technician, meaning that I'm a qualified technical analyst, and I am also the authors of the Traders Blueprint. This is a physical book, not just an ebook. So it's really published physically. I think I have the ebook. I forget to share with you guys. Well, let me take out the ebook over there. Yeah, so this is the book, right? This is the book over there. The Traders Blueprint. I'm the co-author with Colleen, Mark, Rayner, of course, and myself. I'm also a consultant and fund trader at a leading crypto exchange. Maybe some of you guys might find me maybe familiar. I am actually the co-founder of Dr. Wealth as well. So how many of you know me from Dr. Wealth? If you know me from Dr. Wealth previously, I just type DW, okay, in the chat. All right, so yeah, this is the book, right? The Traders Blueprint. So this was also the one of the bestseller, Kinokuniya bestseller. All right, so we are number 2. Okay, the number 1, it is actually Retire Smart, okay, by Lorna Tan. So actually he's a Straits Times journalist lah. Okay, but we actually won, okay, compared to Skin in the Game by a very famous author, Nassim Taleb, and we also won from even better than Benjamin Graham. So we are the #2 bestseller Kinokuniya list. So this is something that I'm pretty proud of as well. Okay, all right. And then who am I? Okay, not only I organize events. Okay, I also speak at the various events. So this was sometimes we do collaborate with brokers. So this is from IG. I spoke at the post event. Okay, at the one of the session over there. And of course, many of you know me through my Facebook Live or YouTube stream. So every Monday, I do a free update YouTube Live and Facebook Live. Okay, yeah, and I do share with you the market insights, and outlook, all free of charge. All right, so let's continue there. And before I really need to share with you today's about seasonal trading, I really also need to share with you how I get started trading the financial market. Okay, yeah, okay, this is just going to be a very quick one because I think this is crucial. I think many people will have the experience starting from a beginner to maybe intermediate to advanced. Okay, so let's go back to 2011. That was the year when I first get interested in so-called investing or trading. So before 2011, I was a total noob. I know nothing about trading. So prior to that, okay, I graduated from NTU with a background, with a degree in materials engineering. So I am an engineer by training, not finance, don't have any business background. Okay, but I didn't really work as an engineer, subsequently. In fact, I started my own online business. So from 2008 until about 2011, that kind of period, okay, I mainly do my own businesses, okay, self-employed. So, at that point in time, it wasn't called digital marketing. The famous term was actually called internet marketing, okay? And started to make money doing affiliate marketing, making money through selling other people's product. All right. So at that time, I made some decent money, very good actually. In fact, very good for somebody who just graduated from NTU. All right. I was making a high 4-figure to 5-figure US dollar, high 4-figure to US to high five figure. So at that time, it is about 2008, 2009. How many of you can actually remember, okay, what was the exchange rate, okay, from Sing dollar to USD? What was the exchange? If you know the answer at that point in time, remember, okay, let me know, type in the chat, okay, all right. Okay, let me know what's the exchange rate. Anybody knows or not the exchange rate? So, making a high 4-figure to 5-figure was actually quite decent. Anyway, I'll just share with you the answer. So at that point in time, the exchange rate was about 1.5. So one US dollar about 1.5 SGD. Yeah, so generally say about 1.45, not so high. So about 1.5. So it was not too bad. So if I make 10,000 USD, that was about 15,000 Sing dollars already. So I'm a very thrifty person. I don't really spend a lot at that point in time because I was still single. I wasn't married. So I have some money. So I also wanted to save as a rainy day, like in case something emergency happen, I have the money to use. So I thought of maybe I want to use this additional savings money, additional capital, okay, to invest. All right. I only want to invest to grow my capital since I have some savings. Okay. But at that point in time, I know nothing about investing now, value investing now, or growth investing. So I only wanted to invest, but I know nothing. But in 2008, 2009, right, at that point in time, okay, attending physical face-to-face person seminars was still pretty common and popular. All right, so I actually attended one seminar called the Secrets to Making Money in Stock seminar. I know this sounds cheesy, but it works, okay? It somehow enticed me because I know nothing about investing. So my mentor at the time who taught me this from this seminar is called Dennis Ng. I think not many people know him really because in fact he passed away in 2012 due to a heart attack. Okay, so but I learned a lot from him. Okay, secrets to making money in stock seminar. So at that point in time, okay, a lot of these seminars are the course fee, okay, is not few $100s. Okay, yeah, it is thousands of dollars. So at that point in time, okay, I know that I wanted to learn investing. So my budget was about 2,000 Sing dollars. Say that, hey, if if I feel that he's a good mentor, he can teach me, and his course fee is less than $2,000, I will go ahead and register for his course. So true enough, okay, his course fee is only $1,999, okay, and it comes with 2 additional free course: secrets to making money in property, and I think secrets to your personal finances. So it's a 3-in-1. So it's only 1,999. Okay, so I immediately registered for that course. Okay, I learned a lot of investing things now. Okay, blah blah blah. Okay, so I don't go in there. But at that point in time, I can tell you that I don't even know how to buy a stock or even know what is a bid or ask. So maybe to you who is very experienced, this sounds ridiculous. So yes, at that point in time, I really don't know what is a bid or ask. So I really just thought that, oh, buying the stock, just go online, click buy, then, I will automatically, get the stock. But not knowing that, I need to, in fact, a so-called queue for the stock, okay, have a wait list for the stock. If there's nobody who wanted to buy from me, if there's nobody who want to sell to me, I cannot buy. So there's a bid or ask. So that's how noob I am at that point in time. All right. So I actually struggled to be profitable, okay? And because initially I only wanted to, how to say, to invest. I'm not sure about you, okay? How many of you actually remembered, okay, 2011, what happened in the financial market, in the stock market, okay? 2011, how many of you are maybe experienced enough, old enough to remember what happened in 2011? So 2011, April, I joined the course, and subsequently 2011, there's something big happening in the stock market. Anybody can answer this question or not? Any answer or not? If you cannot remember, just type no. So I think that's fine. At least I know. You all don't know lah. I'll just wait for another 5 seconds. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Actually, it's not. That's not the global financial crisis, Jen. So the global financial crisis is 2008. 2011, it is actually the European debt crisis. Yes, Andrew. Andrew said Euro crisis. That's right. Okay. How come your nickname is Andrew MarketWise Asia? All right. Yeah, it's not a subprime. Subprime is the 2008. So it is the Euro debt crisis. The moment I actually, attended the course, I think, and put some money into the stock market, just want to invest in certain, stocks, buy and hold, that kind of thing. I think in June or July, then the Euro debt crisis came. Okay. And then I was panicked because I was a newbie investor. I don't know what to do. Like, oh, and then my mentor, okay, told me at that moment in time, he felt that the market is going to crash again. Okay. So being the newbie me, noob, okay, I actually sold away my stock. So I actually, have a drawdown of, I forgot the actual percentage really. I think minimally 20%. I think it's 20 to 30%. Okay. So yeah, at that point in time, my investments was about 30K, 30K, all right, 30K. So 10%, 3K, 20%, 6K. I mean, in terms of absolute amount, I think I still okay lah. 6 to 10K, not a lot if I lost. But in terms of percentage wise, that was quite a huge drawdown. Okay, yeah, PIIG, yes, right. The Portugal and Italy and all these lah. Yes, that's right, Jen. So yeah, so I really knew nothing lah. So I was just, this doesn't sound right. I lost money. It's supposed to be undervalued stock and such. But of course, subsequently, price continue to go higher. So in any case, if you don't have experience, okay, you don't have the psychology to manage such a huge correction or crash. But subsequently, okay, I also came across technical trading, technical analysis. Okay, and I just very attracted to trading. Okay. Yeah, whether be it trading for the short term or or longer term, maybe a few months, that kind of thing. Okay, from intraday to maybe to swing trading, trading for a few days to a few weeks, to position trading to trading for a few months, that kind of thing. Trading attracted to me. So I thought that trading would be easy because I am really hardworking. I read a lot of books. Okay, so in fact, right, okay, I read hundreds of books, attended numerous courses, and of course, there was the internet. I can just keep reading and and watch video lah. Okay, but again, okay, after 4 years, I'm still struggling. Okay, I thought that, as long as I read enough book, I make a lot of effort, okay, trading would be easy, okay? Yeah. Never I realized that there are people who are also very hardworking, but also losing money. So after 4 years, okay, still losing money, okay? How many of you have this experience before? After many, many years in the market, even right now, maybe after forever, okay, until now, you are still losing money, okay? If you are still losing money, okay, just type yes in the comments, okay? If you are paiseh, okay, I think that's fine as well, okay? It's okay, okay? Yeah, it took me quite a while, okay? After 4 years, still losing money, but subsequently, okay, I managed to get better. So there were a few breakthrough moments, okay, all right. So you realize that I attended the so-called the certification, okay, the certified financial technician, okay. I realized that a lot of these things are very, textbook knowledge. A lot of these textbook, are by standard horizontal support or self-resistance area, RSI, MACD, double top pattern, head and shoulder, all these are okay. To me, all these are very textbook knowledge. So in order for you to really get uh, profitable in trading, you need to throw away whatever you know from textbook. Okay. Yeah. But first of all, you must know what's in the textbook first. Okay. Then you break the rule. Because you think about it first. Okay. If everybody is reading the same thing, everybody is doing the same thing, and the so-called the big boys, okay, or in Chinese or Hokkien, we call it the zhengke and all this, those who have the financial might to move the market, the big boys, you don't know what they really don't know what you're thinking about. Okay, they know what you're thinking about. They know what the retail traders are going to do. So that's why they're going to take your money. So you trade all this, shooting star, hammer, all this candlestick pattern, and all this, pattern of head and shoulder, double top. It doesn't really work nowadays, okay. And of course, another which is that you don't trade something that's very obvious. I'm not sure about you, all right. If you actually, read through or read through or watch a lot of videos online, especially YouTube, a lot of these trading things are regurgitating. They are just, vomiting out what you want to watch, like candlestick pattern, what is the candlestick pattern that is best, profitable, like hammer candlestick, shooting star, head and shoulder, all this, okay. You cannot trade something that's very obvious. If you trade something very, very obvious, okay, most likely it is not going to work. I'm not sure whether you agree with me. If you agree with me, okay, once again, just type yes in the comments. All right. And of course, the next breakthrough, okay, I'm starting to get profitable after 4 years, okay. Another breakthrough is that I started to use a seasonal trend, okay, seasonal trend. That's why, hey, later I'll share with you what is exactly seasonal trend. This is where, something that all the things are pieces together and it's starting to get profitable and such. And using with the technical knowledge, right, even with seasonal trend, you can trade all the asset classes if you have the data. Okay. All right. So this is my journey. Okay. All right. So what's yours? Okay. Are you still? Of course, Navin say still losing money. Okay. How many of you actually here? Okay. Are really profitable? Don't be shy. Okay. Maybe not a lot, but at least you do lose money and you're profitable. Just type letter P in the chat box. You're profitable. You're okay. You think you're okay. You're trying to learn to get that additional edge to really increase your profitability. Okay, just type P. Okay, of course you're losing money, then of course this is going to be a valuable session. Okay, I'll share with you how you can actually level up your trading. Okay, nobody nobody is profitable yet okay. Okay, that's why you are going to attend this webinar session, right? Okay. All right, so I'm going to just continue. All right, so today I'm going to share with you the 3 biggest secret to get more consistent wins and profit from trading. All right, so you get away something from today's session. So my 3 big secret for you to take away today. Okay, number 1 is to harness seasonal pattern. Number 2 is to use a data-driven decision. And number 3, okay, how to outsmart the market condition. Okay, I'll go through with you guys one by one. I'll go through with you one by one over there. So the secret number 1, harnessing seasonal pattern. All right, so you can uncover hidden seasonal pattern for consistent winner. So for those who are maybe new to seasonal trend, the term seasonality, I'll just do a very quick introduction over there. Basically, okay, seasonality is the tendency for securities. Securities meaning could be stocks, could be commodities, could be futures, could be different asset classes, could be forex, okay, to perform better during some time period or worse during other period, which means, okay, there's a tendency for some stocks or ETF, okay, they tend to perform very well at certain point in time of the year. Okay, they tend to repeat again and again and again. Okay, unless you really dig through the data, you really go through it, like most likely you'll forget it. You forget about that. Maybe you think, hey, maybe this stock tends to always go up in April, but 1 year, but what about 10 years, 20 years? Okay, even if you know next year you might forget again. So that's the data that's going to tell you that the tendency for securities to perform. So basically, this is the meaning of seasonality. Okay, for securities to perform better or during some period of time or worse during others. Okay, all right. And essentially, okay, the study of seasonal trend is a study of historical data. Okay, with a quantitative approach. Essentially, we are using numbers, looking through the dates, a lot of numbers to tell us what stock is actually moving at a certain point in time. Okay, can understand about that? Can understand? All right, so I'll just continue. So how can actually using seasonal trend boost your trading profits? The reason is very simple, because they tend to repeat and recur with impressive consistency. They tend to repeat again and again and again every single year. You just need to know which stocks to zoom in. Okay, I will share with you some case study over there. Okay, but before I go into that, okay, just to let you know, okay, even though they tend to repeat every single year, but not always, we cannot see the future, okay, but we can see the past. So seasonal trend, it is not a holy grail, okay? It is not a rule, nor does it predict the future, and it does not guarantee you, okay, what has happened in the past, right, will happen in the future. Okay, but it provides a very valuable viewpoint of the average given move over a period of time. So for example, for the past 10 years, okay, maybe 9 years, it just kept going higher, okay, within in a certain period of time. Okay, so the average within like 10 years, 15 years, 20 years. Everything clear so far now? Okay. All right, so with the seasonal trend, okay, if you have a very focused watch list creation, okay, you can use this seasonal trend pattern, okay, to know exactly what to trade. So you have a watch list, a very focused watch list, so you know exactly what to trade, and this can reduce the guesswork. Okay, you do need to know what stocks to trade or which stocks will go up, which ETF might go up. Okay, you have this watch list, for example, like maybe this is the month of August. So you really know August, okay, what stocks am I exactly going to focus on? These are the watch list of stocks, whether a bullish or bearish stock. So if you know, maybe for the past 10 years, okay, 9 years, okay, it just kept going higher. At least it enhanced your confidence, right? Okay, right. Everything okay now? Does it make sense to you or not? Okay, clear so far? If everything is clear, okay, just type okay in the comments. All right, I'll just go through with you one example over there. Okay, so for example, like for example, I'm not sure how many of you actually watch soccer or football. Okay, during my era, okay, when I was a teenager, right, okay, during the 1990s, okay, Manchester United during the late 90s, they tend to keep repeating, and Manchester United, Man U, or Arsenal. So it just kept repeating. So really, maybe at that point in time, you didn't really watch soccer, okay? If I want to make a guess, for example, 2002 to 2003, let's say, for example, right, you don't know 2002 to 2003. So you know that, 1997, Man U, Arsenal, Man U, Arsenal, okay, then Man U. Okay, what is the chances that next year is the winner? Maybe you don't know watch soccer, but you can make an educated guess that, maybe, next year either Arsenal or Man U would be the winner, right? So you can see that 2008, 2002 and 2003, Man U is the winner again. And then 2003, 2004, Arsenal is the winner again. Of course, seasonal or kind of, changes lah. you can see that at the end of the year, nowadays recently, okay, it is actually Man City, Man City, Man City, Liverpool, Man City, okay. So maybe you can take an educated guess that maybe this year, next year, okay, there's a good chance, maybe not 100%, maybe that Man U could come out top again, that kind of thing. All right, we get what I'm trying to say. All right, same for example Formula One. Okay, previously it's all Mercedes, Red Bull, Mercedes, Red Bull, Mercedes, Red Bull. So if I ask you this year, by the way, F1 is coming soon in Singapore. Okay, the night races. Okay, what is the probability that Red Bull or Mercedes could be the winner? It's pretty high chance that either Red Bull or Mercedes could be a winner, right? Even if you actually don't really watch F1. So this is how seasonal can work as well. Okay, so this tells you that there's a very good chance that this year this thing could repeat again. All right. So let me go through back to my slide over there. All right. So this is something that's going to have something for you to take away. All right. Something for you to take away. All right. Did you know? Okay. Tesla between late May and June, Tesla rose 100% of the time over the past 10 years. Do you know or not? All right. I'll wait for your answer. If you know, just type yes. If you don't know, okay. All right. Something new to you, okay. Just type letter N or new here. I think maybe for those who actually join my Facebook Live, I think previously I mentioned about Tesla. I think maybe about in during May period. Okay, if this is something new to you, learn something new, okay, type new in the comments. Cher say new, okay. Tesla, between late May and June, Tesla rose 100% of the time over the past 10 years. In fact, for this year, it is the same thing again. So if for the past 11 years already. Okay, so you can take a screenshot, whatever it is, okay. Take note into your, I don't know, in your Google Keep or whatever it is, in your notepad or whatever, okay. Next year, late May and June, you can watch out for Tesla again. Okay. So let me go through the chart over there. So this is Tesla. TSLA, Tesla, right? Okay. I'll just go through this year only. Late May to late June. Okay, it is somewhere around here. Late May, somewhere around here. Okay, let's say 28th of May. Okay, here. Let's don't talk about late June. Okay, late June is over here. But in case you see here, from late May onwards, after there was some ranging, Tesla just go up all the way. So at this point from here, at the low here to here, it is up about 50%. It is up about 50%. 50%. Okay. Of course, I don't expect every single stock to be like this. Just somehow, okay, Tesla just rally 50% this period of time. Okay. So next year, you might want to take note of Tesla. All right. So this is something maybe useful to you, something for you to take away. All right. So another one, it is NVIDIA. Okay, NVIDIA. I think it's a lot of people's favorite. Okay. Later I'll go through. Okay. Between early May and early June, NVIDIA rose 91% of the time over the past 11 years. Okay. In fact, I think this year is going to be the 12th year already. Okay. All right. So this year, early May and early June, it also, okay, rose during this period. Okay. Later I'll go through the case study for NVIDIA. But again, I'm going to share another one. You can take note of that. Okay. All right. Meta. You know or not? Meta, between late June and late July, Meta rose 100% of the time over the past 11 years. Okay, let's go through Meta. Late June. Let's start from late June. Okay, late June, this is Meta. Late June, it is over there. Okay, late June is somewhere around this period. Okay, somewhere around this period. Late June. Late June. Yes, that's right. Somewhere around this period. So at the time, when the price go higher, okay? And of course, you can say, hey, Alex, this thing go down. Yeah, that's the reason why I say that seasonality is actually not 100%. Not 100%. Doesn't mean that every single year is going to repeat the same thing. But what I'm going to share with you that, okay, let's say, for example, when you first get into the attention, into the data sheet, okay, into the data that we have, okay, into late June, we are already starting, okay, to watch out for Meta already. So when it's starting to go higher, okay, for me personally, I am a swing trader. So meaning that I hold for a few days to at most maybe 2 weeks or so. So within this short period of time, maybe 2 weeks, okay, from here, all right, there are actually profit to be made one. Okay, let's say from here the low way to the high, also about maybe 7%. Okay, depending on how much you risk. Okay, there are profits to be made. And once you have a profits, there are certain ways. Okay, you can take profit, take partial profit or trail your stop loss. And once it started to move higher and then came back down again, okay, at least you won't lose your money. Okay, all right. So as I mentioned, seasonal doesn't mean that you're going to repeat every single year, but at least it gives you a very focused watch list. You know what exactly you want to look at a certain point in time. Okay, and then I'll go through this NVIDIA. Okay, NVIDIA over there. So this is NVIDIA again. Between early May and early June, NVIDIA rose 91% of the time over the past 11 years. As I mentioned, I think this is going to be 12 years. Of course, why NVIDIA? I think most of you should know what's NVIDIA lah. Okay, it's the latest stocks. Okay, because of the AI craze, it actually increased quite a lot. Not quite a lot. Quite a lot is actually understatement. Okay, I think it ran up to how many 100% or 200% kind of thing, or 500% of thing. Okay, so it actually really quite a bit. So this is the things I'll share with you. This is NVIDIA this year. Okay, this year, early May to early June. So that I prepared some so-called information from the chart from you over there. Early May to early June. Can you see that it also go higher this year? All right. Last year, 2023. All right, from early May to early June, it also went higher. Okay, 2022. Okay, I am not sure how many of you remember. I think should remember lah. Okay, it's just 2 years ago only. In 2022, okay, it is a bear market. So the market, you can see that NVIDIA generally has been trending down. But again, from early May to early June, price generally grind higher. If you are looking for a swing trade, okay, you will still be able to grind out a profit, okay, from going long or buy NVIDIA during this period of time. And of course, 2011, it was a very good year, bull market. Early May to early June, okay, NVIDIA also grind higher, okay, go higher. Okay, and 2020, just after COVID, okay, NVIDIA from early May to early June. Once again, is this something new to you regarding NVIDIA and the seasonal date? So this is something that you can take away. If this is something new, and of course NVIDIA, just type N in the comments so that I know I can move on. So I talk about the NVIDIA, I talk about Facebook, Meta, I talk about Tesla as well. Okay, right now I think there are about near to 100 people in the room now. Okay, I think that give me some response if you can. Okay, I really appreciate that, because as I mentioned, I'm just one person in the room. I think your encouragement, your feedback, okay, your engagement will really help a lot. Thanks, YC, Catherine, and Cher for your comments over there. So as I mentioned, right, this is you can make use of seasonal pattern, okay, all right, to know what are the stocks that's going to go higher, harnessing the seasonal pattern. Okay, so what is the secret number 2? All right, you need to use this data-driven decision. All right, because you are using quantitative data, right? It's not I say, you say, I think, I feel. It is just hard data, data-driven decision. You can transform fear into confidence, okay, with data-driven insight. So what do I mean by that? Okay, but first of all, data-driven, so it must work. And the seasonals has been proven to, I think just now there was a one comment, okay, asking, what is the, I think the win rate, or whether it's really work or not, okay. It is proven to work, okay. Again, not I say, okay, not you say, not I think, not I feel, okay. This has been proven already. So seasonality has been intensively, so-called researched and studied by academic. So does seasonal or seasonality really work? Okay, this is actually in the Journal of Financial Economics. This was published in 2008. Okay, the seasonality in the cross section of stock return. Okay, I won't go through very deep, but just to make sure that you understand. Okay, what do they mean by the cross section? Sometimes these academics, they tend to use very cheap, very complicated, difficult to understand words. Okay, but once I explain, it'll be very simple. So cross section means basically, okay, a large number of different stocks at a very specific point in time. Basically, cross section, just assume that it is treat it as a large number of stocks. So they actually go through a large number of stocks, okay, and they check the returns of the stock at specific point in time of the year, like maybe January, February, March, whatever that is, okay, and they realize that, okay, stocks tend to have relatively high, could be low also, return every year in the same calendar month. So they tend to repeat every single year, okay? So it's proven, okay, this is from one journal, so it's proven to work. Another journal from this title called the return seasonality. Once again, return seasonality basically is just checking, okay, the return of the seasonal stocks, okay, over a period of time. Okay, this is published in 2013, recently only. So the gist of it, okay, it is summarized over here. Okay, this strategy based on seasonality on their historical same calendar month, okay, return earns an average return of 13% per year. Okay, so this is actually beating the market. I think the S&P, I think only about, I don't know, over the past how many years? I think about 8 to 10%, that kind of thing. So 13% is actually outperforming the index. So seasonal really work. Okay, it's been proven by academic also. And last, okay, there are actually a lot more. I'm just going to show you three over there. This is again from the Journal of Financial Economics. Okay, this is called the Global Factor Premium. Okay, so again, it sounds very complicated. So what do you mean by global factor premium? Okay, this only applies to US stock. Yeah, most likely they not most likely, yes, they only research a lot on US stocks. Yeah, but they do also research on other country, but mostly on US stocks. Okay, other country some, but a lot of times they also see the same thing again and again. So generally, we can say that it applies to a lot of markets as well. Basically, the well-developed market. Okay, all right. Of course, US is number one. All right. So the global factor premium. Again, premium meaning that the alpha. So for those who don't know, alpha means whether you can outperform the market. Okay, so for example, if the S&P is returning 10%, okay, the excess premium could be like 15%. Seasonality can give you the alpha, the outperformance or not. So this is premium. Okay, global, of course, talking about global stocks lah, for example, major asset classes and such lah. Okay, and what do you mean by global factor premium? Okay, again, it seems difficult to understand, right? So what are the factors that can cause outperformance in the market? Okay, in simple English. So what do you mean by factor? So let's say, for example, if I ask you in another question, okay, you will get it. Okay, I ask you, what are the factors, okay, that causes high blood pressure? This one, like, sounds simpler to you already, right? So what are the factors that cause high blood pressure? Okay, maybe you are obese, okay, or maybe you have a very unhealthy diet, okay, or maybe due to genetic, okay, and such. So all these factors, that if you let a very unhealthy diet, high sodium diet, that could cause high blood pressure, okay? Or you obese, okay, you smoke, that could cause high blood pressure. So once again, what are the factors that could cause an outperformance in the market? So based on the study, right, okay, on the paper, the 5 key studies, okay, across the premium, across major classes are like trend, momentum, value, carry, return, seasonality, and BAB. BAB, I forget what it's already, but not important. Okay, so seasonals is also one of the factors. Okay, if you actually know about, I'm sure, or in fact, all of you know about Warren Buffett. Okay, Warren Buffett. Okay, when he first started investing, okay, he actually invest in those value stocks. So value stocks, okay, is one of the factors that can cause performance in the market. That's the reason why Warren Buffett always outperform the market very greatly in his early years. So value is one of the factor. If a stock or ETF is trending, okay, can also cause you outperformance. Okay, when it's having a momentum, it can also cause you outperformance in the market. And seasonals is also one of the factors. So it has been proven that seasonality, okay, really work. Everything clear so far? If everything clear, okay, just type yes again in the comments. All right, before I move on, so that I know. Okay, so relying on a solid data can help you overcome fear and uncertainty. Sometimes we don't know, wow, every single year, okay, is not easy one. I'm not sure about you, okay? There's no single year that the market is easy. Every single year, there's some difficulty, there's some fear, there's some uncertainty. Okay, like for example, 2020, there's this COVID sell-off. People are fearing that the market could crash and every single thing, the kind of thing now, every like the end of the world. Then 2021, 2022, people are worried about the inflation, okay? All right, then 2023, there's some war going on, Russia invade Ukraine, that kind of thing. And then 2024, people are worrying about recession, okay? And then worrying about another war, Israel attacking Palestine, that kind of thing now, okay? The Middle East war. So every single year, there's always uncertainty. So if you rely on this media, okay, to tell you what to trade or what not to trade, every time there's so-called news and fear in the market, then you don't dare to trade or don't dare to invest, you are not going to profit from the market, okay? The news is not out there to help you profit, okay? It is out there to help you lose money, okay? So what can you do? So you need to rely on some solid data, quantitative, to help you overcome this fear. So that you can have the confidence to trade or invest. Okay, hey, there's a good chance that this thing can move up or move down. So we go trade it. Okay, all right. So I'll share you how I do it. Okay. So for example, if you have a solid data, this is from the my SeasonalVantage Insiders list. Okay, the data sheet. Okay, so you know exactly which stocks, which sectors, which ETF. Okay, to watch out for. Okay, and all these are backed by data. So this is pretty recent. All right, let me drink some water first. This is pretty recent. So you can see that, let's go through this semicon. Okay, semicon SOX ETF. So you know that the semicon, the whole sector, okay, and some of the sub-industry will move. Okay, so after that, you can actually look out into maybe the individual stock if you want to. So for example, that there's semicon, okay, between late April to June, okay, it tends to go higher, okay, for the past 11 years, okay, it is 42 calendar day, average profit about 7%, okay, which means out of the past 11 years, 10 years, it went higher. And then maybe for the industrial aerospace, okay, also in April, late April to June, it tends to always go higher. So you know exactly what sectors and what industry to watch out for. Of course, there are other things, but I'm just trying to pick a few so that we can zoom in over there. So for example, SMH Semicon, SOXX is another semicon ETF. So these are the two commonly traded ETF sectors, okay? You know that late April, right? Late April, 30th April to June. Can you see during this period, like clockwork, it also go higher. Does this mean that it's going to 100% is going to go higher? No, okay, but it tells me that, hey, Alex, this time of the year, April, I may want to look at semicon. Okay, I'm waiting for opportunity. I'm a sniper, waiting for my chances to go in. So maybe somewhere around here, I'll be watching already. So my preferred method is to actually wait for a pullback and then to enter into a trade. I do like to chase. So for example, when price is here, okay, I don't want to chase higher. There's a pullback and then there's a so-called a specific trigger that I want to enter, okay, there's enter somewhere around here, then price going to go higher. So there's a pullback. All these are good time to re-enter again if you wanted to. So semicon, okay, I think, yeah, again, another thing to take away if you want to screenshot it, whatever they take note, okay, semicon, okay, late April to June, it tends to go higher. Aerospace, it is the same as well. This is the ITA Aerospace ETF. Again, somewhere around late April, okay, to June, it also go higher. Again, for me, if I have the data, okay, I will be camping, okay, waiting for opportunity. Maybe somewhere around mid April or somewhere around late April, I'll be looking for opportunity to go short, don't go short, sorry, to go long, to buy really. There's also a trigger over there, okay, waiting to go long. And then, once you enter at the right timing, okay, taking profit is relatively easy. You can trail it, you can take partial profit, you can take full profit at whatever price you wanted to lah. Okay, of course, typically I will share with my members, what I will do. Okay, all right, yeah, clear so far? Okay, so do another example of that, as I mentioned before, right? Okay, you know exactly this is the individual stocks data, which stocks to watch out for. Okay, so you want to take a screenshot, okay, something for take away, you can take to that. Okay, NVIDIA, also late April to early June, for the past 11 years, 10 years, it went higher during this favorable period. Okay, and the return is pretty, great, 14%. Okay, it was pretty good return. Okay, for the past, not for the past, I think this is a 43 calendar days. So okay. So as I mentioned already, right, for this year, April, okay, April to June, it also went higher. Okay, you learn something new from this information or not? Okay, you can take away from this. It is, like as I mentioned, it is not just like sales pitch all the way. There's information that you can take away from. Okay, clear so far? Okay, good. Everything is good. You understand this? Okay, just type good in the comments. So you know exactly what stock to go. All right. So more case studies. Okay. All right. Some of you might know I have this SeasonalVantage Insiders. Okay. And a lot of these stocks are not very commonly known stocks. I basically, okay, like to so-called let you know the not so common one. The reason is because, okay, I generally don't like to trade those very hot stocks, SMCI lah, NVIDIA. Not that you cannot trade, just that sometimes I don't like to trade when everybody is looking at the same stock. So there are a lot of other opportunities, okay, mid-cap stock, small-cap stock out there in the market that you are not aware of. All these are very profitable trades as well. So this one, Sancora, I shared, is also in the data sheet. Okay, time frame, okay, from 30th May to 19 July. Okay, for the past 15 years, win rate is 93% of the time, meaning that of the past 15 years, okay, 14 years it went higher. Can you see that this is the so-called the exclusive members video that I did for the SDI members? Okay, this is so-called published on the 27th of May, just before, okay, the favorable seasonal date. So you can see that over there, when I first mentioned, I say, hey, look out for this stock, Sancora. Okay, there's a potential, there's a chance that it can go higher. We wait for a certain trigger. If price is above certain price, okay, you might consider going long or to buy the stock. So after that, I mentioned, you can see that Sancora, just go higher. All right, this is the aftermath of what happened. After that, what happened? This is before. This is after. Okay. And then this is Moody. Moody, some of you might know, this is actually, I think, a grading for the financial company. Okay, so 3rd June to 18 June. Okay, 10 years, win rate 90% of the time. Okay, again, this is when I first posted is on 3rd June, exactly at the favorable period. I said, hey, there was a decent pullback over there. Okay, wait for it to have a trigger. If price is above certain value, then you might consider going long. So this was before, and subsequently, okay, NVIDIA, this is Moody, subsequently go higher as well. All right, so and then there's a few more landmarks. Okay, again, these are the thing when I first mentioned, okay, it was here. Subsequently, after some ranging, okay, it continue to go higher. This is landmarks. Some of you might not know these stocks, okay. And then, okay, this is recently, I just added, I think yesterday. Recently one, okay. This is the iShares MSCI Singapore ETF. This is listed in the US. This is the EWS. This is like a proxy for the Singapore Straits Times Index. Okay, so I told my members that, hey, typically, okay, the Singapore market, and of course, I ask you some simple question. The STI, okay, what are the component stocks that make up the STI? Anybody knows or not? What are the major company that has a lot of weightage on the Singapore STI? Anybody can answer this question for me or not? Okay, yeah. Let me continue while you type in your question answer. Okay, I said, hey, maybe you can take a look at, if you don't want to trade EWS, you can take a look at Singapore Index STI. Okay, you can use CFD to trade whatever it is. Okay, all right, yeah. Okay, to trade, you can do that. So for me, this is the STI. Personally, I took this trade as well. Okay, that's right. Okay, Tech Chiu say banks, Jen say banks, Amloy say DBS. Yes, all the banks. Singtel, yes, also one of the big components of. But the three big banks, Singtel, UOB, and OCBC, they form the bulk of the STI, which means that the banks are going to fall. Okay, from 1st August to 24th September, past 10 years, 100% of the time it is bearish. But again, does that mean that it's going to repeat the same thing again? It might not be, but at least, okay, I know that, hey, you know, this time I'm going to zoom in on Singapore. Okay, I'm waiting for the opportunity to go short. So when I first mentioned to my members, it was somewhere around here. Just before, I think the August, early August, the so-called the Monday crash. Okay, there was a fear of recession and all this stuff, like war, all this. So at that point in time, I said, hey, you know, look at STI, or maybe you look at some of the stocks, bank stocks. Okay, let's see whether price can fall below certain level. If can fall and stay below the level, you can go for a short. Okay, this is the aftermath. You can see that, hey, after that, you know, price just boom, the August crash. Of course, I took way too early. I actually take profit over there. If I just waited for one more day, then there could be a lot of profits. Okay? But nevertheless, it is still doing something that is consistently repeatable. Okay, repeatable. Okay, there are other opportunities to trade. Okay, and then this is the VanEck oil services. This is the oil. This is a proxy. Okay, for the crude oil. Again, you can just trade directly this ETF as well. Okay, time frame 31st July to 3rd of September. Okay, for the past 10 years, win rate it is 90% bearish, which means that for the past 10 years, it always went down during this period. So at the same time, okay, I also say that, hey, you know, you can look at oil. Okay, at this point in time, it tends to go down lower. This is what it was before. Okay, I said, hey, let's see whether oil can go down lower at certain level. It stay below that level, you can try for a short. Okay, and then, you know, once again, because of the so-called the Black Monday that time in August, early August this year, it also crashed down quite a bit. Okay, so there were basically at the point in time all boost eyes. Okay, all boost eyes, all so-called tier one. So made quite good profit from all this. All right, so and yeah, so in recent one, like the most recent one is the 5th August to 21st August, 10 years. Okay, 90% bullish. When I first mentioned, it was somewhere around here. Okay, I'm just going to go through quicker. Okay, and just continue to go higher. All right, and then on Nasdaq also recently. Okay, just recently only. I posted this recently. Okay, 6th August to 26th August. Okay, for the past 10 years, it also go higher. When I first mentioned, it was like this. After that, subsequently go higher also. Anything else? Yeah. Okay, so these are the few things I'm going to share with you. Okay, so you know, I know exactly what stock to zoom in already. Okay, because I have the data, I know exactly what to do. Okay, all right. And just to share with you one testimonial over there. I think this is a very good testimonial from John. John is an air traffic controller. You can see that, you know, it's pretty long now. Okay, I just want to share with you the main gist. You have been such a great guiding force in my trading journal. So he said that, you know, very few trainers are kind enough to openly share so much of their thought processes. Okay, like I have been trading for more than 4 years. However, okay, I feel only know I'm in some error. I'm starting to see the light and have some consistency and trading and profits in my trading. About the same time as me, 4 years. Took him 4 years. All right. Okay. Yeah. So secret number 3. Let's go through. Okay. How to outsmart the market condition and how you can navigate the markets with predictive insights. Sometimes, okay, the equities, the stock market might not be so straightforward. Sometimes you don't know whether the stock market, okay, will go up or the stock will go down. But there are other asset classes that you can also trade. All right. So you can so-called anticipate, even though I don't really like to use the predict, okay, but I think, you know, predict everybody can understand. So you can predict what asset classes could move, okay, backed by data. So for example, over there, you know, this is gold share, okay, or gold. So you know that, hey, gold, maybe I can take a look at gold or the proxy or gold miners and such. This is the gold miners, okay. This is the VanEck gold miners, junior gold miners. So you know that, you roughly know that during that period of time, 1st April, okay, to start of April to mid-April, gold generally is weaker. Does that mean that it's going to happen every single time? Might not be, okay, this year, but we still need to watch the price action. But it allows me to have a zoom in, have really know what to look into. So somewhere around late March, early August, I've taken a look at gold. Okay, so you say, hey, gold late March, since that after that continue to go higher. June, okay, very like clockwork. During a period of time, it continue to go higher. All right. So this is how you can predict, okay, these so-called asset classes to move as well. I think maybe let's try to see some of the data over there. Okay, just go through some case study over there. I think this is the, okay, let me try to zoom in. This is the August data. This is the August data over there. I know we are at the end of the August already. So I don't mind sharing with you guys over there. So this is the data sheet, okay, that I have, that I share with the members, okay. So sometimes we can infer from the data. I not exactly tell you which one, but you can see that, hey, from here, like bonds, okay, bonds, short duration, not this one, the T-bills, bonds, okay, then one iShare, 1 to 3 years treasury bonds, okay, then all the bonds, or floating share bonds, a lot of bonds over there. You see the date, it is actually typically about early August, okay. So you can infer that, bonds typically, okay, it is bullish near the start of August. So can infer. You know what's infer, right? If you understand what I'm trying to say, okay, just type what again, yes, in the comments, just type why. Yes, you can infer, okay. You see a lot of things are bonds, can infer, so-called estimation, you can guesswork, okay. Smart educated guess that, bonds tend to go higher in early August, okay. Can you understand or not? I need to see some comments. Make sure they understand before I continue. Can you understand? Just type yes in the comments. How come no response? Okay. Thank you. I think there's some lag. Okay, thank you. Okay, I see the yes. Okay. So I'll just go back to the chart over there. Typically for bonds, I like to trade very commonly one. So the TLT. Some of you might know this is a 20+ year treasury bonds. So at one glance, I know that early August, it is somewhere around here. Okay, somewhere around here. Early August. Okay. All right. So from here, late July, you actually can start to look at bonds already. You can see after that, price, there's some good movement up. So from here, midpoint to here, also about 6% upward move. Okay. So you can infer from the bonds, there's time to look at. Okay. All right, so this is how you can infer from the data sheet as well. So this is the most recent one. Okay, I'm just sharing with you over there. Let me just try to go back to 100% over there. So just go back to my chart, not chart as in my deck over there. So this is can so-called predict, anticipate what other asset classes could move if you think that maybe this is not the best time to trade stocks or what. Okay, clear? And this is once again, this is the earlier one, the treasury bonds again. Okay, so this is from here. All right, early May to mid-May, it also went higher from here. So this is like clockwork also. Okay, so you know exactly what to look at, so you can anticipate what asset classes to move. Okay, and this is another testimonial from Mary. So she actually does so-called the fish business. She do the trading in fish, the consumable fish. Okay, so I know her. All right. So you can see that, the filtering of the stocks each week, as it really saved me a lot of time. So yeah, she has been an SBI member since the very beginning, okay, and benefited a lot with the filtering of stocks each week, and really saved me a lot of time. For example, the recent stocks like PT, CT, I gained 26%, Semicon ETF, I gained 20%, NVIDIA, and I gained a lot more. So of course, there are some losses, cannot be 100% winners, okay, on some counters, but on the whole, the gain are more than losses. And thanks to Alex dedication, SBI, I made tremendous gain in my trading journey, and most of all, gain a lot of knowledge. All these are real people, testimonial. Okay, so let's recap, okay, what we have covered so far. Okay, to get started, you need to follow these 3 secrets. Okay, so you harness the seasonal pattern. Okay, you make use of data-driven decision, and the second number 3 is to outsmart market condition. All right, I want to say this, okay, knowing seasonal trends is the really, I feel that it is the closest thing to having a crystal ball in the market. Okay, of course we know that there's definitely no crystal ball. Nobody know what the market is going to move 100% for sure. But understanding, knowing the seasonal trend is the closest things, okay, to having a crystal ball already. You know exactly what to look at a certain point in time of the year. Okay, all right, this is how I feel lah. Okay. And so the only thing left now is to get going, okay? And you have 3 options in front of you. The first one, right? You can do nothing with what you have learned today. You learn something new, okay? But do nothing. Number 2, you take what you have learned today and expand your knowledge on your own. You can do it, research yourself and all this, okay? Maybe to understand a little bit more, okay? Or number 3, okay, the easiest way, all right? You leverage on my data and let me help you get an edge in your trading. Okay, so is this valuable to you so far? Okay, all right, so I just want to ask your permission, right, to tell you more about this most actionable seasonal data that I've created so far, and an exclusive offer that going to expire soon now. Okay, all right, so if I want to type yes if I can continue, so I'm just want to make sure that I can continue now. It won't take you a lot of time. Okay, maybe another 15 to 20 minutes. That's all. Okay, can or not? If yes, just type yes in the comments. All right. Okay. So I hope this is valuable to you. There's something for you to take away. Previously, some of these data I can screenshot. When next year come, you can take a look at some of these stocks and ETF again. All right. So thank you so much. Okay. Like Geraldine, take you, and Katerina. So I'm inviting you to join these SeasonalVantage Insiders. All right. So here's how SVI SeasonalVantage works. So you'll get access to exclusive seasonal data that shows you the best time period to trade certain stocks or ETF. And you also get access to weekly video updates on the latest market outlook and stocks to watch. All right, so the number one thing you get, is the data sheet. Okay, these stocks and ETF seasonality data. So this is the comprehensive data that allows you to show you the best time or the period to trade certain stocks or ETF. It's just like this thing that just now I show you, all right, whether it is bullish or bearish. This is the data sheet that you'll be getting. Later I'll go through with you more, okay? But right now, I'll walk through the platform, okay? Just right now, just let me finish this thing first, okay? All right, so number 2, all right, I know some of you might be so-called beginner trader, okay? All right, I'm not afraid to tell you there are other seasonal data provider, but many of them, in fact, all of them, they do not provide you with insights. They just throw you the data, vomit out the data to you, and you are left on your own. Okay, but for me, I know some of you guys need so-called guidance, and you might not know what are some of the certain stocks to trade. Okay, so every single week, I will give you a weekly video updates, so you know the latest market outlook and the stocks to watch out for. Of course, if you are already a very seasoned trader or investors, you can make use of the data on your own and run it yourself and do it yourself. Okay, but for those who want to pick my brain and see what are the stocks that I'm watching out for, like previously, just now, some of the case study that I mentioned to you, these are the things I do every single week. Okay, and not only that, right? Okay, I'll give you one additional bonus. So the bonus number 1, okay, I will also provide you with the bearish seasonal data. Okay, this is to help you to unlock the potential to profit from the market downturns. Okay, with comprehensive bearish insights. So just let you know, previously, okay, when I first started SVI, I do not provide the bearish data. There's only the bullish data. Okay, only when I feel that the market is going to have a downturn, then I share with them the bearish data. But I realized that there are some traders who wanted to know the bearish data as well. And of course, different traders, different people have different opinion of the market. I might not think the market could go down, but you might think the market could go down. So I'll share with you the bearish data. I will share with you the bearish data. So you can use the data and check it out. What are some of the stocks you might want to keep a watch out for shorting the market? That could do as well. So as of now, I'll provide you both the bearish and the bullish data as well. So this is the bonus. Number 1, the bearish data I will provide you as well. Okay. So as I mentioned, provide you with both rising and falling market, utilize the bearish data, okay, to hedge against market decline. So for example, some of them are using the bearish stocks to hedge themselves. So for example, you've been trading, buying all the way. Maybe you think that the market is going to come down, but you don't want to sell away some of your profitable stock. You want to maybe hedge, okay, do some short selling to hedge your current market decline. So can gain a complete understanding of both the bullish and bearish trends. All right. Okay. So this is the bonus number one, and bonus number two. Okay. I do share with you the additional trading masterclass video. So this will help you elevate your trading knowledge with in-depth video tutorials and on advanced strategies and technique, not just on the seasonal content or knowledge, but can be other things as well. Okay, so with this masterclass, you enhance your trading strategies to improve your decision making and maximize your trading success. So there are new videos added regularly, okay, to keep you ahead. Then I'll go through some of these platform, okay, to share with you. So maybe I can go through right now. So this is the members area. You can see that under the masterclass over there. So the most recent one, okay, I share with them how to do data analysis on VIX, okay, using ChatGPT. Use AI to help you grind some of the data, okay. And that's why I share, at that point in time when there was the August sell-off, I said, hey, don't be afraid, okay. The market is not going to crash. In fact, it's a good time, okay, to buy if you intend to hold it for the long term. And this masterclass, okay, I share with them a lot of things, simple, complex pullback. So all these are adding continuously. So not just on the seasonal content over there. Okay, this is bonus number two. And bonus number three. So this is the position sizing SLTP indicator. So automatically, okay, determine what are the share quantity, the stop loss, and take profit, okay, without manual calculation. So for example, okay, with this indicator on TradingView, you know exactly what is the number of quantity of stocks to buy, okay, how much to buy, where to set your stop loss, when to take profit, okay. So I think I talk so much, okay, no use. Okay, let me just share with you very quickly over there. So let me just hold on for a while first. Okay, so maybe I'll just use Tesla. Okay, very quick one, Tesla. I think everybody knows Tesla, okay? Tesla. Okay, so let's say, for example, right now, Tesla is coming down. Okay, you guys can see the screen. Tesla is coming down. Okay, maybe, okay, due to seasonal, or you think that that Tesla is going to go higher. Okay, this is the indicator that you're going to get. Okay, so by default, you'll be set at the latest price, the current closing price. The current closing price is 205.75. So this is the current closing price. Okay, so you can adjust it. You know how many stocks to buy, okay, how many quantity of stocks to buy, and where to set your stop loss and such, okay. So let me go through that. So typically, okay, this is for a long position, long, okay. If you put it at 0, this is the current latest price. So let's say, for example, I'm only willing to lose $100 on this trade. So you put $100. How about maybe you have a higher capital? Maybe you say, okay, I am willing to lose $500 on this trade. So just time $500. The stop loss size factor ATR, typically, okay, I use 1.25. If you don't understand, not to worry. Okay, inside the members area webinar and all this, right? Okay, there's a video I show you how I trade, how I enter, how I set my stop loss level. Okay, so by default is 1.25. All right, so you can just click OK. Okay, so which means that if you decide to enter at 205.75, okay, based on the 1.25 ATR, average true range, okay, your stop loss will be over here, okay, 192.64, thereabout, 192.64. So enter here, your stop is here. All right, so if you're only willing to lose $500, okay, you can only buy 38.2 stocks. You can round down or round up to you. 38, let's assume it's 38 stocks. So which means that you can only buy 38 shares of Tesla. So let's say, for example, if you bought here, if you buy here, and somehow it is just not in your favor and price just go down, okay, and hit your stop loss level, you are just going to lose $500 because you already do your position sizing, okay? Because you set just now your $500. So you can only buy 38 shares of Tesla. And typically, when I take profit, I typically like to do, okay, a 1.5R profit. So this is like, okay, from here to here, from here to here, it is 1R. Okay, here is 1.5R, 2R. So once you enter into the trade, okay, you can also set your take profit level. You can set into your brokerage account, say, oh, set take profit level at 225.40. So this will be your take profit level. So everything entering, deciding what shares to buy, everything, not what shares, what quantity to buy will be a breeze for you, very easy for you. Okay, so this is how this indicator will also be given to you free of charge as well. Okay, Ken, sounds good, right? So this is over here. Yeah, so you can automate your trading decision. So instantly you know how many shares to buy, where to set your stop loss and take profit level. And you can remove manual calculation. So what, no need to use Excel and calculate and all this. So save time, avoid error, let the indicator handle all the mathematics for you. All right, so you can make a precise and informed trading decision effortlessly. So you know when to take profit, 1R, 1.5R, 2R, etc. So this is a bonus tree for you. You get this position sizing SLTP indicator in TradingView. Okay, and bonus 4, okay, every time we have the live webinar and also in-person gathering. In-person gathering is more of an ad hoc event now. Okay, so typically, I will do a live webinar whenever there's a new intake of new students. Of course, additional insights for the current members as well. Okay, so the exclusive webinars and in-person gathering for added value and insights. So this is the most recent one that I did. Okay, these are SVI Connect Night in June, early June. So this is all the members over there. Okay, this is not just all the members lah. There are in fact a lot more. Just that I held it in June. At the point in time, June, it is a holiday period lah. So I told them I'm free, but for those who are free, not traveling, feel free to join. So these are the people who came. Quite a bit turnout. In fact, there are more people. Okay, just that some cannot join. But for those who can't join, not to worry. After that, I actually did a live webinar to share with them the content again. Okay, so this is a bonus. You get access to the webinars and in-person gathering as long as you become a member. Okay. All right, and bonus number 5, you get priority email support. So get your trading question and concern addressed promptly. Every day I got a lot of email lah. Okay, so for the SVI, the SeasonalVantage Insiders members, you get priority support. Okay, but that's still not everything you get today. All right, and if you decide to join today, I have this decision bonus. This is the trader's blueprint. Okay, I'll give you the ebook. Okay, I'll give you the ebook. All right, it's the same, the ebook. So this is a Kinokuniya bestseller. All right, so I don't go through that. So this is worth $29 digital ebook. If you go to my site, it is selling this at $29. All right, and then so this is what you are getting from the SeasonalVantage Insiders. Number 1, the main thing, you get the stocks and ETF seasonals data. And number 2, you get the usual weekly video update. Bonus 1, okay, you get a bearish seasonal data. Bonus 2, I give you the masterclass videos. Number 3, I'll give you the position sizing and the SLTP indicator. Bonus number 4, I'll give you the live webinar and in-person gathering as well. Okay, as long as you stay subscribed. Okay, you get access to all this content as well. And number 5, priority email support. And if you decide to join today, all right, this decision bonus, the traders blueprint ebook is for you. Okay, so do you think everything I've shown you so far could help you achieve consistent trading success? Okay, with seasonal data. All right, give me a number 1. Okay, if you think this can help you, type number 1 in the comment. If you think so far, if you staying with me so far, you think that seasonal data, I think can help me. Okay, just type number 1 in the comments. All right, thank you, Geraldine. Thank you, Che. All right, so let's continue over there. So what's the investment to get all this as a member of the SeasonalVantage Insiders? All right, so in another way, all right, how much would it cost you if you don't? Let's put it in another way, okay? How much money have you lost in trading or investing so far? Okay, no need to answer me, no need to answer me, okay? When I first started trading, I think I lose 5-figure and such lah, okay? Maybe for you, for some of the traders I came across, they lose 5 figures, 6 figures, some are even 7 figures. 7 figures means million and above, okay? All right. How much would it cost you if you don't, okay, subscribe to the data over there, okay? How much money have you lost, okay? You know yourself, okay? Okay, no to answer me this one, okay? And I know some of you here attended courses and so, okay? Many of the typical courses out there in the market easily cost $3,000, $4,000. I'm not going to charge you 3,000, 4,000, okay? Not even 2,000, all right? Not even 1,000, all right? So you can get started with SeasonalVantage Insiders today for just, okay, $5, not $5, $596 annually, okay? This is a normal usual price, okay? Because you attended the webinar today, I've created a very special deal, okay? So for the first 10 sign up only, all right, it is only $499 annually, okay? So this is, I think, a 17% discount from the usual price, okay? All right, so from $596 to $499 annually, translated to this, it is just about $1.37 a day. Okay, I'm not sure, I don't know about you, I'm not sure about you, but nowadays, if you go to Yakun or go to Toastbox, one cup of kopi O also cost at least $2. Even if I have the Safra member, I go to Yakun, the cheapest coffee I can get with the discount is also $1.80. But with just less than $1.37 a day, okay, you just get full access, okay, today with all the things that I mentioned just now with your first payment, okay? So for the first 10 sign only, you get $499 annually. Remember to use the coupon code SVI499. Okay, let me just post it in the comments first. Don't worry, okay, I will share with you the platform walkthrough and such, but take a screenshot, okay, everything here, okay, I will just post it over there, SeasonalVantage.com, enter coupon code. All right, and not only that, okay, I want you to feel secure, okay. This is the first time I'm doing this, okay. Previously, I did not do this. Your investment is fully protected, okay. What do I mean? All right, you have a full 30-day money back guarantee. So if you join SVI today and you have up to 30 days to decide if this is the right thing for you. So if you decide that for any reason, okay, this just isn't a good fit, right? You can simply contact me or my team, right, to cancel your membership, and I will refund you the entire purchase price today. So $499, all right, if you think it's not free, I'll refund you within up to 30 days to decide, okay? 30 days, and not only that, okay, you can keep the free ebook as well. This is yours for you to keep, okay? All right. And then this is how much I believe in what SVI can do for you lah. All right. So I'll just go through with you the members area demo first. Okay. Okay. So this is what you will actually get. So this is the members area. All right. When you first log in, you access to this dashboard. So this is the free ebook if you manage to get it. Okay. And then the SeasonalVantage reports over there, okay? And then this is a members area. So in the members report, okay, you can just download. You can see that for this coming quarter, the July to September one, it is all here. All right, bullish stocks, bullish ETF, bearish stocks, bearish ETF. And from here, this is the data that you will be getting. So let's say, for example, let's go through the past. Okay, I won't show you the latest one, okay, just the past one first, okay, to be fair to the paying members. So you can see that this is the bullish ETF for July. So you can see that there's a few columns over there. Let me just try to zoom in. Maybe I go through the stocks easier. Okay, I'll go through the stocks one easier. All right, so this is the bullish stocks for July. Okay, so there are many stocks. Okay, there are many stocks. Some a lot more, some lesser lah. But for July, typically it's a bit lesser for July. Okay, so this can start date, close date is all there. Okay, the winning percentage, the number of years, calendar days, average profit, all these are quite intuitive lah. Okay, not only that, you can also actually sort through. So that, for example, all right, I only want I'm only interested in maybe in the industrial stocks. Okay, I don't want technology. Somehow I just like industrial stocks. So can just unfilter everything, just filter, I just want industrial stocks. I just click OK. And then you have all the industrial stocks over there, right? All the industrial stock over there. Maybe you said, okay, I want to drill down further. Maybe I'm interested only in the aerospace and defense. Okay, aerospace and defense. Then I will just unfilter. Okay, all right. Then you can only zoom into the aerospace and defense stocks, like for example, some of the common ones like LHX, LMT, and TDY. So you can use this data, filter the sector industry. And not only that, okay, you can also filter the date as well. Stocks unfilter that, okay? Yeah. Sector also unfilter everything. Oops, I think let me just auto filter again. Yep. So this is the filter. Okay, you can also filter by the dates as well. So maybe I want to, this coming week, maybe the mid of July, I only want to filter mid of July. Maybe start from maybe 10, 11, 12, 15, 18, 19, this period. So you can easily know what are some of the stocks you want to focus on immediately at the mid of July. So all these stocks are there. Okay, you can filter whatever thing it is. This data sheet is very versatile. Okay, and it's practical as well. Okay, and then the members area over here. Okay, back to the dashboard. Okay, you can see that these are members area. You can see that every week I will post that. For example, this coming week, okay, I posted the sectors to watch 26th of August. Okay, this is the latest. You can watch the video, and there's also I do a summary. But the summary I use AI to help me to summarize, like do a better job than myself, and also faster also. Okay, so you can see that a lot of content. If you have questions, okay, they can ask questions also. Okay, in fact, you can see that in the recent one, this is also like very good testimonial also. Like John asked me, hey, anyone looking at this ORLY, okay? For example, ORLY, this is O'Reilly Automotive stocks. So this is also one of the favorable stocks over there. Okay, I'll first use the indicator to help you set the stop loss level and such. So he was looking at the O'Reilly Automotive. Okay, so he asked me, okay, can long, look consolidation and such, seems like good trending stock and blah, blah, blah. Okay, any guidance, anything. So I took about 1 day to reply because I was busy. Okay, I was looking at O'Reilly. It was hovering and ranging near high. I would prefer if it has some pullback. So overall, I said that, I would give it a miss, not my best stocks. Okay, but in fact, John, okay, took a quick entry at the open and TP, take profit at the 1R mark. 1R meaning that if he risk 1K, okay, he make a profit of 1K lah, okay? Open and close on the same day, since the market is very unpredictable. So if you know exactly what you want to do, okay, you can do yourself also. So John, okay, I would think that he's an intermediate to advanced trader lah, okay? So he know exactly what to do really. So very fast, he take P. I didn't even enter into O'Reilly, but he already exited and take profit already. Okay, all right. So we can see over there, over here. All right, so the members area, the masterclass, okay, is over here. And then there is the webinars, which I do, okay. All right, when there's new members who join, so the refresher and also share with the latest market outlook, okay. And then there's two more over there, like the start here. If you're new to the members, there's this getting started with this SV training guide over there. All right, and let me go through the this thing over there. Okay, so again, testimony over there. All right, so this is TIE. In fact, you can see that this is about 1 year already. So he's been here with me for more than 1 year already. So you can see that I've been using SV report for about 2.5 months. Initially, when I first started, exceeded my initial expectation. Okay, not just the quality of the report, but the added value that he get from me and the team now. Okay, and since I started using report, I've been consistently impressed. All right, so a wealth of trade ideas, precisely what he was looking at. Okay, so he doesn't need to go and hunt for all the stocks and ETF. All right, so yeah, it was a game changer for me, okay, for Jia Yi, okay. And then just on I mentioned about John already. He has been such a great guiding force in my trading journey. Okay, all right, so I started to see light and some consistency and profits in my trading. And this is a Mary just now I mentioned, right? So, a lot of profits from all this data as well. Okay. Recent one, okay. All right. You can see that, cut short instead of having to screen for trade ideas, SV cut short the time screening for trade ideas. Okay, this is Dominic. Okay, he's a self-employed, and he mentioned that what we recommend. Okay, he's unselfish in sharing indicators. And the market graph indicators. So I share a lot of things other than the seasonal things as well. Okay, this is from Alan. He's working in the finance sector. Okay, he is an intermediate trader already. Okay, with 7 years of experience, and he still learn new things from Alex. And that's me lah. Okay, that is direct, practical, and amicable approach. Okay, hope can continue for many years to come. This is from Alan. Okay, so this is for you if you want to achieve a consistent trading success. Okay, reliable, consistent profit using the power of seasonal trend. Okay, and increase confidence. Okay, because you want to make use of data-driven decision to reduce your anxiety and the uncertainty in trading. Okay, time efficiency. Okay, all right, so you can streamline your trading process. I give you the watch list. Okay, I share with you the insights every single week. Okay, so you can cut short your time. Okay, spending less time to analyze the data and more time executing the successful trade and financial independence. Okay, again, I said it, maybe financial independence is too far-fetched for you. Extra profit, okay, the aspiration to use the profit from trading, okay, to gain extra income or to achieve financial freedom and security, and also to elevate yourself to expert level trading. Okay, so not many traders, in fact, even in Singapore or even in the world, uses seasonal trading, but also they maybe do not know how to use it correctly. So this is where I come in to help you increase your knowledge and to elevate yourself to an expert level trading. Okay, all right, and this is what you are getting: the stocks data, ETF data, the weekly video updates. Okay, bonus one, bearish data. Bonus number two, I'll give you the masterclass videos in the members area. Bonus three, the position sizing calculator using TradingView. Bonus number four, recap, I'll give you the live webinar and in-person gathering. Bonus number five, okay, the priority email support and decision bonus. Okay, the traders blueprint ebook. Okay, all this today for just $499 to get started. Okay, this is annual, but you can start at just $499. You can just use the QR code or go to the website yourself over there and remember to enter the coupon code SVI 499. Okay, let me just post it over there. Let me just post it over there. Okay. Before I answer a question, I just want to go through the site first. This is SeasonalVantage, right? Okay, you go through over there, you can read through some of the things. Okay, all right, you get what you are getting over there. Okay, you can just, this is only, the coupon code is only valid for the annual plan. All right, so from the July to September data is available now. Okay, weekly video, everything is over there. Just click on this button over there. All right. Remember, usual price is $596. Remember to add in the have a coupon over there. Just type in SVI 499 and then click apply. Okay, and then you get 499. Okay, and you will stay subscribed at this level. You log in at this level as long as you stay subscribed to this at this coupon code. Okay, all right. So you have your email address, password, first name and such lah. Okay, and then you can do up your account opening and such. So it's very easy. Okay, and then let me see over there. So any questions so far? Okay, Lloyd, may I know the weekly video update are the same as the one weekly? No, this is not the usual public Facebook and YouTube live. This is a separate video which I usually do only for the SVI members. So every week I will share with you further insights and also go through the data sheet, and see what are some of the stocks that I'm looking at and such. And also pick out some of the watch list stocks that I'm watching out for. So maybe you can consider going to go long or to go short, that kind of thing. Okay. And remember guys, okay, I am actually, okay, providing you this full 30 days money back guarantee. Okay, full 30-day money back guarantee. Okay, as I mentioned, if you think that this is not for you, okay, just let me know or my team know, and I will refund you the purchase price 499. Okay, and try it out. Try it. Okay. Plan till August 2025. Yes. So from the date you entered, let's say for example, it's until 29th of August, right? So 1 year later, it is 29th of August 2025. From the day you enter to the date, it's a full 1 year. Okay. All right. So nearer, I release the data every quarter. So nearing to end of September, the final year data will be out. Okay. Yeah. So for now, it's until July to September. So every quarter, I'll provide you the new data. So not to worry on that. All right. And then any questions so far? Okay, just type. Okay. Before I answer that, every time I do this kind of thing, okay, people ask me one, okay, hey, why am I sharing the secrets if I am actually so profitable? So what do you think? Okay, what do you think? Okay, so there are two main reasons. Okay, first of all, it does not affect my performance. Okay, there are two reasons. I can share with you the data, everything. I can still continue to make profit. It doesn't affect me. Okay, hundreds of you can use the data, thousands of you can use the data, okay? It is still going to make an effect on the market because the market is simply too big, okay? If I share the data with you and you affect my trading performance, I will not share with you one, okay? Yeah, so it does not affect, then I share with you, okay? That's the main reason. And it's not like some other courses, like for example, you realize some of the courses out there, like maybe they teach you how to do e-commerce, how to sell on Amazon, how to sell on Q10, that kind of thing. Okay, I will not share one, okay, because the more they teach, the more crowded the marketplace is because there are only so many products around, okay? And the more they teach you how to do that, all the products will be flooding the market, and eventually, very few people will be able to make a profit from the e-commerce space. So there are certain markets, like certain courses, let's say if I'm doing, I won't be sharing all this knowledge with you. But for this, it is a bit different. The market, it is too big already. Okay, it make no difference if I share it with you. It's just like Warren Buffett, every time a lot of people are talking about value investing, right? It still work. Why does it still work? Because some of you guys don't follow. Okay, the market is too big. Okay, I hope you guys understand the reason. Okay, and secondly, okay, diversify my income sources and increase my trading capital. You guys know that for investing or trading, the more capital you have, okay, the better it is. Okay, you grow your money faster. Not only that, okay, I have my income from organizing events. Not only that, I can get my income from trading the market. Okay, and thirdly, I get income from this so-called running this member site as well. Okay, and I can plunge in all the revenue income profits into my capital, trading capital, and grow my account size more. Okay, so these are the main two reasons. I'm not going to bullshit you and tell you that, oh, I'm going to give back to the society and such. I want to create community and such. Okay, these are, I think, are bullshit reasons. Okay, but the main reason, number one, it does not affect my performance. Secondly, it can diversify my income. At the same time, okay, I can share the data and I don't mind sharing also. And in fact, to be honest, okay, it feels good, okay, to teach some things that really work. Okay, I'm not sure whether you have go through this process. Okay, it feels good that I giving value to people. At the same time, okay, I get paid for that. Okay, can? All right, but a reminder first, SV provides you with invaluable data insights. Okay, the success in trading still require effort and diligence. Okay, this is not a green arrow buy, red arrow sell of kind of service or copy trading service. Okay, as much as I want to tell you this is going to be automated, this is not. Okay, it still requires effort and diligence. I am essentially a data provider. Okay, I provide you with a data sheet. The rest of the things like weekly updates, masterclass video, webinars, and all these are additional knowledge that I give you. But at the end of the day, I still provide you the data. I'm a data provider. Okay, but I will try my best to give you the best support, share with you what I'm trading and such. Okay, If you're not willing to accept that, then too bad. I think SeasonalVantage is not for you. But if you think that, okay, this is a good fit for you, then I hope you can join us. Okay, so this is what you're getting: a recap, the data, the weekly video updates, the bonus 1, bearish data, bonus 2, trading masterclass video, bonus 3, the position sizing indicator, bonus 4, live webinar, bonus 5, priority email support, bonus 5, okay, so-called bonus 6, the decision bonus. I will give you the traders blueprint ebook as well. So go to the site seasonalvantage.com, SDI 499 coupon. So we can get it at today for just 499. And by the way, I have the intention to increase the price next year. So for this year, this will be, I will hold it for this year at 499 after discount. Most likely next year, I will increase the price. Most likely, maybe additional $100 or $200 more. But if you decided to join us, you can lock in the price. So as long as you stay subscribed, okay, you just get it at 499 every single year, 499 per year and annually. Okay, any questions so far? You can let me know. Okay, let me once again post the link in the comments. Okay, remember to use the coupon code. And by the way, there is also a Telegram group also. The reason why I don't stay out as a bonus, so this is the Telegram group. Okay, it is because this is actually a public group. Okay, hear me out first. The reason why I use a public group is because, okay, Telegram and my members area are not linked together. Okay, there are always, some people who think that it's not a good fit for them. Okay, and decided not to continue and such lah. Okay, so it is very difficult for me to actually to remove people manually, and this is not time efficient. So decided to do just a public group, and this is not just all the members. In fact, this is just half the members. There are still half of them never joined the members yet. Okay, but okay, every single week, or I will share with you. So whatever the members area, so whatever I posted in the members area here, for example, the weekly update, okay, you will also get notified via email. But the email, there is a lag time. Okay, so this Telegram group will allows me, okay, to update you what the latest new member posts, okay, as you log in. So maybe you miss the email, Telegram group can give you a faster updates and such. And of course, if there's new additional market updates, okay, I tend to post in this Telegram group. That's okay for the public to see, that's fine. But for the specific stock trading things, right, I will still refer you to the members area. Okay, and then these are some of the success. Okay, just today only, okay, I just closed out, for example, the Holix, HOLX, sell short, okay, just yesterday only. Okay, so you can see that, also from the data as well. So let me just go through the data. So like, for example, Holix, okay, when I first mentioned to the members, all right, it was somewhere around here. The price is going to go down, so I taken profit. Okay, so for example, the members like maybe Machik, okay, he entered into this stock called the Nasdaq NDAQ. Okay, of course, Nasdaq, you guys should be familiar lah. Entered here, okay, based on the trigger that I use. Okay, he had a profit of 1.85R. Okay, yeah, so he entered, also good profit for him. Okay, and then over Chasing also entered into Nasdaq. Okay, for example, John, okay, shorted the Beatrice. Okay, shorted Beatrice. This is good. So they have a member success. I encourage them to post to so-called motivate the members as well. So previously, Stephen traded about all this Marathon Petroleum, also profitable as well. Henry traded Nasdaq. Okay, Chasing shorted the Southern Copper Corp. All these are profits as well. Okay, like previously SS, the oil and gas services, right? Just now I mentioned in the webinar, it is Van Eck, oil services, OIH, also profit for him. Okay, also like all these are profits. Okay, XCS for me, I actually shorted the XCS as well, and then like for me also traded the Singapore STI CFD as well. Okay, so all these are real successes. Okay, and I hope we can be a part of my SeasonalVantage Insiders. So as I mentioned, right, so this is the use the coupon code and you are backed by a 30 days money back guarantee. Okay, any questions so far? Any questions so far? All right, there are still people around here. I'm here to answer your question. If you want to, feel free to ask me any question. It can be other things other than seasonal regarding the members area and such, right? You can ask me. Okay, you can ask me. So once again, this is the members area. So this is a login password and everything. You can log in yourself. Okay. I just signed up. Thank you, Take you. Using Seasonal. Do I need to subscribe to TradingView? No need. No need. You don't need to subscribe to TradingView. TradingView is a free charting platform. But of course, there are some limitations. For example, you can only add until 3 indicator or 4 indicator, that kind of, okay. And there are some, like for example, you cannot use a customized trading time frame. But generally, for start, it is good enough. You can use the indicator on the free TradingView. Okay, thank you for joining, man. Take you. Okay. Any other question? Any other question? So for those who are still staying around, what is your concern? Or you want me to show you anything? Okay, I'm here to show you here. Okay, for those who are already SVI members, some of you who are still here, okay, give a shout out. Okay, type me if you are still here, because I tell them don't need to join this because they already know already. Okay. So once again, it is backed by a 30-day money back guarantee. So this is all right. So you just how to say 1 year 499. Okay, every single day is less than $2. 499. Some of you might lost more than 499 in trading really lah. Okay, I think easily lost 5 figures, 6 figures lah. So I don't know. I think this will help you. To be honest, it is really not expensive. I have intention to raise it more next year. Okay. Yeah. So these are all the things that I actually use to help me get profitable in trading. All right. So just a reminder over there, you are backed by the 30 days money back guarantee. Just try it out. Okay. At the end of the day, you feel that it is not for you. Yeah, I will refund you. Okay. But this is the first time I'm doing it. Previously, I did not. Okay. Yeah. So at the end of the day, you think that you want to just take advantage of it. I mean that you go ahead because I really feel that there's a lot of value inside this membership area. All right. How many of you have joined already? Okay. If you have joined, just type me in the comments. Okay. Any other questions so far? There are still 56 people of you inside here. Right? Any concern? Any concern? I will still stay here for maybe about 5 more minutes. If any concern, if you want me to go through some of the stocks, I can go through with you here. Okay. So once again, this is what you will be getting over there. You can just go through take a screenshot, the QR code. All right, SeasonalVantage, Catherine Chiu, thank you so much. Okay, enter coupon code SVI499. Oh, by the way, for those who join, who join already, you'll receive the first email from me. So inside the email, a lot of details there. How the beginning video, how to log in, how to join the Telegram group and such. Watch out for that first email. Okay, if you didn't receive it, check your spam folder. Check your spam folder. Okay. So receive this book as well, okay? But this book I will have to give you manually. So once you sign up, give me a few days, consolidate, then I will send an email to you on how to redeem this free book. But of course, first of all, you have to join this SeasonalVantage first. Okay? Hey, for the rest of you, 54 people here, any questions so far or not? Any questions so far? Because you're still staying here. Yeah. Any concerns or not? Or you are getting ready to join? Let me know. Let me know. Let me know. So if there is no question, I really thank you for staying with me until the end of the webinar over there. Okay, once again, as I mentioned, the link is over there, seasonalvantage.com. Use the coupon code SVI499. Okay, and then it is a 30 days money back guarantee. Okay, I hope you enjoy the session today and take away good knowledge and some of the trade ideas that you could use it next year if you want to get more trading ideas from me, then you have to join the SeasonalVantage Insiders SVI. All right. So with that, okay, thank you so much. Any last question? Okay, any last question before I end the webinar now? All right, if there's no question, okay, thank you so much, and I will see you guys inside SVI. Okay, I post the link once again over there. Thank you so much, and bye-bye.